Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bailey. And if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. So today we're gonna be trying what I kind of consider like a little gimmicky product. We're gonna be trying the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye. And the reason I really wanted to try this is because it has this little like eyeliner or wing liner stencil to the pencil, and that just like really entices me. Entices, is that the word? Intrigues, interests. For me, I feel like using a stencil would almost be harder than just using your natural ability to create a wing, but that's just me. So we're gonna try it out and see if it actually works or not, because this is so interesting. And I mean, like, if this does work, then hallelujah. So this pencil, it says it's quick and easy, it's waterproof, and it's all day wear. And you get 0.55 milliliters in the liquid liner, which is kind of pretty much standard. I am using it in the shade 220 Black. Anything else I can tell you about this? No. Let's get this on our eyes. I did a look today without eyeliner or lashes on, so I could try this out for you. And the instructions seem pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. So let's open this up here, because I am so curious about this. Mind my nails. My nails are literally disgusting. How can I not get into this? This is removable as well, so you don't always have to have it in there, and plus like you need to remove it to use it, I suppose. Oh my gosh, this is so funny to me. Oh my gosh. So you're supposed to hold it up like this? Use it? Oh my gosh, this is so funny to me. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. It says to open up part of stencil on the outer edge of your eye. You're supposed to fill in the stencil and draw the wing, and you're supposed to remove the stencil from the outer edge of your eye and then continue through to line throughout your eyelid. Okay, I've zoomed you up nice and close, and I'm kind of confused. Does this go like this? Like, that just seems like a little bit of an extreme line, does it not? I guess not. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line up the bottom of the hollow stencil to the bottom of my lash line, because that's what I typically do, is line it up like that, so that it's like a continuation of the eye. Does that look good? This is making me nervous. I feel like I'm slipping. This is very straightforward. I don't know why I'm freaking out about this. Okay, because if it doesn't work, and if I do it wrong, oh well. Okay, so let's fill this in. No. Okay. Clearly I didn't get the angle right on that. I don't know about this. Like, I don't know about this. First of all, this liner, it's like dried up. What the heck? Yeah, that's a bit better. So like, that's how sharp I feel it should be, but I also feel like maybe I just did the angle of it wrong. Ugh, this liner. Okay, there's my eye done. I feel like I did most of the work on this though, so I feel like this like little stencil thing, like, I don't know, let's try it on the other eye. I just feel like I could have just done a better job without it. Now this is what I feel like is the tricky part, because I'm right-handed, so I need to be able to draw with my right hand. Even over here, I go in with my right hand. So I have to hold this now with my left hand that's numb still. And like, how are you supposed to get these points correct. Like, does that look the same? Yeah, okay. It looks the same-ish. It don't feel the same, I'm gonna tell you that. Okay. Like, I just feel like that's not helping anyone, to be completely honest. Like, what's the difference between doing that and just like swiping your brush over like that? This is so stupid. I hate this. This is so stupid. Oh my god. What have I done? Okay, here's the tea. Because I did this angle differently than this one, my eyeliner is clearly uneven. I feel like my first attempt was obviously better because I had nothing to match it up with, and that's why this one is so funky, because like I need it to be at a different angle. Like, this one is lifting up more than this, and it's just like, I've never done my eyeliner this bad before. This is like a monstrosity to me. I don't like this product. I think that it's silly. The eyeliner is okay. It's nice and matte and black, and it doesn't bleed up into my eyes. So I do like the eyeliner, but like this stencil, I don't know. Like, how are you supposed to get the angles correct? Like, I have no idea. I think this is just like a little gimmicky product, and I think that it's stupid. And I think that like you don't need this to do a wing. Like, it's so much easier just to like flick out and then bring back in. Let's add a lash onto this, because I just like I can't keep looking at this. This is like so dumb to me. Oh my god. This is just a prime example of how lashes make everything look a lot better. And now, because my lash is so fluffy, you can't even tell that my eyeliner is uneven. So maybe that's the trick. You just have to put on a huge fluffy lash in order for this to... No, you know what? Because I did so much of the work. I don't know, guys. This isn't L'Oreal, I love you, but I just think that this is silly. I don't know. Like, my only solution to this I would need 2 of them, and I would need to like tape them to my face in order to make sure that they're even. But maybe I just need things to be like asymmetrical. Maybe I just need things to be symmetrical. Like, maybe I'm just too anal and I have an OCD about it. But like, I need my wings to be even, and if they're not, then that's a problem. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wouldn't particularly recommend this little guy. I like the eyeliner. I'll use the liner, but like this little thing, I don't know. I don't know about this, you guys. I don't know. Anyway, see you guys in my next one.